In today's video, I'll guide you through the process on how you can change the watch straps on the Amazfit Pop 3R. So turn your watch around, and then on the back of each strap, you should see this metal button. This button is what you use to unlatch the watch strap from your watch itself. So simply push down on this button like that. Then once it's been pushed down, this top part should pop out easily. So push down, then you can just remove it like that, then remove the bottom as well. So you can do this for both sides. And now you can get your other watch straps and add them to your watch. To do this, simply press down, put the bottom first part in, and once it's been placed, press down on that same button and then put it into place where the hole should be for it to rest. So keep adjusting it. And then let go when you find where it's supposed to be. So it should look like something like that on the top. And then do the same thing on the other side. And then you've successfully changed the watch straps on your phone, on your watch. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.